Number 1. Bidet Flow Pull-Down Sprayer Faucet. If you're in the market for a new kitchen faucet, the Bidet Flow Pull-Down Sprayer Faucet is a top contender. The hands-free motion sensor feature is a game-changer, allowing you to turn the water on and off with just a wave of your hand. This touchless technology makes it super easy to keep the faucet smudge-free, perfect for busy cooks. The exclusive smart latch technology is another standout feature of this faucet. When you pull down the sprayer, the water automatically turns on, making it a breeze to rinse dishes one-handed. The retractable pull-down hose and dual-function head with spray and stream patterns make cleaning up a cinch. The high arc design is available in 5 luxurious finishes, adding a touch of style to any kitchen decor. The easy DIY install is a bonus, though you may want to consider having a plumber handle it just to be safe. One minor downside is the need to replace or recharge the batteries every 6 months. But this is a small inconvenience compared to the overall benefits of this faucet. Overall, the Bidet Flow Pull-Down Sprayer Faucet is the best kitchen faucet for its convenient touch-free sensor, flawless performance, and attractive design. Check it out for yourself and elevate your kitchen experience. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best